Hello students, today we will be discussing about the microorganisms, class 8. The topic will be the nitrogen fixation and nitrogen cycle. So let us start with the nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation means the conversion of nitrogen into the soluble nitrate compound. In general, here what happened that nitrogen actually present in the atmosphere 77%. Then nitrogen actually how it actually get fixed to the soluble nitrate compound. This is fixed by the rhizobium bacteria or the rhizobium, clostridium, agitobacter present in the root modules of the leguminous plant. They convert the atmospheric nitrogen into the soluble nitrate compound. That is known as the nitrogen fixation. Now here nitrogen fixation means the conversion of nitrogen into the soluble nitrate compound with the help of rhizobium, clostridium, this type of bacteria. Or again another thing can be happen during the lightning. The nitrogen actually due to the tremendous temperature in the atmosphere when the lightning occurs, then nitrogen and oxygen gets combined with the nitrate compound and they also stored in the soil and they gets they are absorbed by the plants for their nutrition. That is also known as the nitrogen fixation. Next topic we have to discuss here, that is the nitrogen cycle. Okay. Nitrogen cycle means that the nitrogen of the atmosphere gets converted into the nitrate compound, and again here the nitrate compounds they again what happened that this nitrogen of atmosphere which gets converted into the nitrate compound, they are absorbed by the plants, and again that this nitrogen goes back to the atmosphere. That is known as the nitrogen cycle. Now here what happened, you see that the nitrogen cycle one diagram you can see the elemental nitrogen they get converted into the soluble nitrate compound. Elemental nitrogen they can by the bacterial fixation in the legumes in the soils they can get converted into the nitrate compounds. And then again see that the nitrate compound can be absorbed by the plants for their growth, and animals also plant take that plant was taken by the animal that get converted to the animal protein, and again when the animals and the plant get died, this actually mixed with their bodies get decomposed and they mixed with the soil, and this nitrogen, that means the elemental nitrogen comes into the soil now, and this nitrogen again by the denitrifying bacteria gets converted into the nitrogen, and again see the nitrogen fixation can be done by the lightning also. So once again just cycle I am just telling, the elemental nitrogen gets converted into the nitrate compound by the lightning or by the bacteria present in the leguminous plants, and that nitrate was absorbed by the plants. That means from nitrogen comes from soil to the plant now, and the plants actually was eaten by plant are eaten by the animals. That means it get converted into the animal protein. Again see that when the plant and animal gets died, they decompose, means that their body get decomposed into the soil, and again from the soil by the denitrifying bacteria nitrate compound converted into the elemental nitrogen. That is known as the nitrogen cycle. That's all. Thank you.